Hello students, myself Dr. Umaru, Assistant Professor at PGT of Political Science. Dear student, today we are discuss about the class 12 Political Science and the topic of your class chapter. Today we are discuss about the what is the types of rights. What is the types of right? These five types is the main types of the rights. Number one is political rights. Number two is social rights. Number third is the right of speech. Number four is human rights. Clear? And another rights is called to religious rights. Religious rights. Clear? And economic rights. Number five and number six. Clear? So what is the political rights? Political rights basically the right to voting, given the right to voting to the civilians and develop on given the liberty to develop own political party to the civilians and common men and adopt any ideology. It is called to political right. Number second is social rights. Social rights basically given the equality and justice in the society and against the inequality. Number third, right to speech. The right to speech basically connected to the liberty for express your own ideas. The right to speech basically liberty for the express your own ideas. Number five, religious rights. Religious rights basically connected to the given the own worship to minorities. Basically, these rights connected to the minorities groups, and given the liberty to the their own worship. And number six, economic rights. What is the economic rights? Economic rights basically connected to the liberty of investment, liberty of any type of business. Clear? And number four is human rights. What is the meaning of human rights? Human rights basically connected to the basic requirement, given the basic requirement to the human rights, because they are the human. So, what is the basic requirement of the human beings? These are the basic requirement: food, shelters, health, and education. These are the basic requirement of human being. So, given the proper uh, money and facilities to the development of the human life and security of the human life, it is called the human rights. Why these called to human rights? Because these rights connected to the human being. These rights basically connected to the human being. So they are called to human rights. Clear? So one by one we are discuss about the another types of political rights. Political rights, right to voting, given the right to voting and civilians, and they are developed their own political parties and ideologies. It is called to political right. Number second, social rights, equality, given the equality of any types of society and against the inequality. For example, Indian Constitution Article number 17 uh, basically against the untouchability. Clear? So it is called to social rights. Number third is important because this right connected to the media, electronic media and print media. Right to speech, liberty for express your own ideas. In the democracy, the constitution and democratic government basically given to the right to the speech, and right to the speech basically liberty for the express your own ideas. Express your own ideas. Clear? Next is religious rights. What is the religious rights? Religious rights basically given the right to the minorities. Religious rights basically given the rights to the minorities and given the liberty to minorities their own worship. Number six is economic rights. Basically, economic rights connected to the given the liberty to the any type of business in the country and given the investment and earning their thereby own hard work, money earning by their own hard work. Clear? And capitalism is also connected to this economic rights. Capitalism is also connected to this economic right. Clear? And here is human rights. Why we call to human rights? Because these rights connected to the human being. So it is called to human rights. Okay, students. So please subscribe the channel and like and share my video. Okay, thank you.